What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Unleashed Baller here and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a pack opening because as you can see we have 200k VC in the top right hand corner. I'm going to just open a couple of, not a couple but, oh crap, a league box, yeah, a league box, probably 120 and 110, I don't know, maybe we'll spend some on single packs but don't think we can afford it. So first box, we're gonna open this right now. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Please, there's a Russell Westbrook out and a David Lillard. Please give me one of them. Please. Alright. Okay, Emerald. That's good. Please be Thorn. Alright, that's on the white side. I mean, yeah, that's alright. For now, come on, let's go next pack. Please, please. Oh my god. So shit so far. No, I'm so scared that we're just not gonna get anything, bro. You know? Fuck me. I'm gonna be a diamond. Are you serious, 2K? Really, 2K? I'm giving you money. Let's give me Thorn Maker. Not Jokic, bro. It's a joke. 2K, please. I'm giving you money. That's a player. Oh my god, another emerald. Bro, give me at least a good emerald. This is all shit. Please. Please, all in. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so bad right now. Please, please, please. That's not to play good. Bro, I honestly thought that was a diamond. Mark Smart, I think it's his new release. I think that's good, but that sounds so good so far. Come on, please don't be a player. Thank you. Oh my god. I just remembered Rubes. Okay, Aaron Gordon actually. I think he's worth a pick because quite a bit because he's just got released. Come on, please, something good. Another Ruby. DeMarcus Cousins, let's go. That's such a good pull. Two Rubies in a row. Please. They're not gonna give me anything here. Another Emerald. Come on.
Really, nigga?
Come on, final 2 packs. Please. Please don't be the player, thank you. My god! Last pack. Please. Please don't be the player, if it is. Wow. Really? Really? Just give me 2 rubies this whole box? Seriously, 2K? Seriously? Alright, we're gonna open another League 10 box. Please, 2K, award me with something. Please. Come on. Oh my god. Another emerald. Westbrook, I want 2 diamonds.
Really, nigga?
Alright, my sister's gonna press Y on the next 2 packs. 2 packs. Why? Please be a good one. Clay! Alright, my sister's gonna open the next 3 packs. 3 packs. Ah! Come on. What a hit. Please don't be the player. What can this be? Oh my god! Bro, I thought it was gonna be the diamond. Are you serious, 2K? Yeah, I think so. I literally thought that was a good card. No, 2K's not gonna give me anything. Oh my god! So, alright, this guy's my last pack. Okay, I'm gonna give the honest to my sister. I'm just gonna press A to open it. Just make sure that's not both. Okay. My sister's gonna press. Oh my god! Oh my god! Diamond in the last pack! Holy shit! Give it! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Please be Westbrook! Please be Westbrook! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Guys, Oh my god. Please be a Westbrook. Please. Please be Westbrook. Oh my god, are you serious? That's so bad. He shoots like 40k. Really? Oh my god. I thought that was Russell Westbrook. Holy shit. Man. Far out. No. Oh. Really? Are you serious? That's so shit. Oh my god. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video of me yelling at the freaking 2K. If you did, leave a like. Look at this! Bro, it could have been Westbrook. It could have been Westbrook. It could have been Westbrook. But that's gonna be this shit.